SP Space by Hadivincent Architects in Bandung, Indonesia. Creation of a multipurpose building and restaurant for Sarae Hills, a 15-acre of natural environment in Dago, Bandung, that the client is preserving as an open space for people to experience ecotourism concept. Public amenities and programs ranging from coffee, food, discussion, workshops, art classes, galleries will be provided on the site. Appearing in its simplest geometrical form and architectural language, the building is designed to be a tacit background for both the activities of its guests and the ever-transforming natural environment around it. Organized into 2 levels, the guests are welcomed into the most public spaces on the ground floor. Reception and lobby acts not only as a point of entry but also becomes a welcoming living spaces for everyone. Public spaces are oriented towards the valley. Wide and welcoming apertures around the building make one feels as if one is at once inside and out. The climate that enables the guests to spend time outdoors has brought forth a design equipped with open rooftop. One side acts as a restaurant, and the other as a roof garden. As a result, visual connections between inhabitants from one program to another are enabled. The variety of the space makes it possible for guests to spend time both inside and outside, and in between area with a view of Bandung city.